appreciate it.
Another 30 minutes going.
35. That's great. Seriously, thanks for the energy. I mean, these are the hard questions, right? Like these are the answer. The questions where there are no answers, really. So hearing from your experiences is the only way to learn. So super appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, everyone.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is go through a set of announcements. We've got announcements about something called the Techstars Sustainability Challenge. Back in November 2020, we launched the Techstars Sustainability Challenge as a way to create actionable impact, really by helping sustainability startups build traction with leading organizations. It was something new for us. We hadn't done this before as like a thing. And the challenge, it's been designed to be equity free. So it wasn't an investment program from us. It's really about helping to accelerate business development for startups. And we've learned, really, we've learned how to accelerate companies already through the Techstars portfolio, but we decided to do this as a sort of a pilot ready, sort of post accelerator stage type of activity. We certainly sent word out to our portfolio and hoped that a lot of companies in our portfolio would want to apply and do this so that we could help accelerate companies we're already investors in. But we also realized that this problem is so big and so critical and so global and so important that we wanted to make this challenge open for any startup on the web who might want to apply for it. And so, this first sustainability challenge was really an open door to the entire global sustainability community to participate and apply to get their business potentially accelerated by one of our existing partners. And so we focused on specifically on innovations in supply chain sustainability, because we felt that was really where the rubber meets the road in terms of startup activity and multiple needs from lots of corporate partners, lots of folks where they're looking for help understanding what's going on in their supply chain. And in particular, we focused on two categories, one around data and automation, and one around materials and end-of-life impact. So companies that were looking at new ways to use data to solve supply chain problems, and one around companies that were actually innovating on the materials themselves or on how the materials are leveraged through the supply chain. We had over 300 startups apply, and what I'm going to do now is actually announce the 15 winners, which were selected by a combination of the Techstars team, as well as the partners involved in the challenge, as well as the broader Princeton University Andlinger Center mentorship group, as well as folks from the United Nations Network. So we brought in some real subject matter experts, we brought in some real corporate leaders, and then we brought in sort of the Techstars team as sort of startup experts. And as was our goal, there are actually quite a few pilot explorations in the works between these 15 finalists or 15 winners and the 14 partners that we had involved. 7 of these 15 companies are Techstars portfolio companies. The others are not. And as I talk through them, take note of which ones sound most interesting to you, because what we're going to do next after I'm done is you're going to